What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and cheapest DIY Wardriver in 2026. Now, the Biscuit Pro is my favorite Wardriver, but the problem is it's out of stock right now, and it's kind of hard for some people to get this thing. But I'm going to show you how to make one out of a C5T dongle from LilyGO. And if you use code GhostStrats on their website, you could save 5% on all their products. Now, this is probably the best way to get your foot into the door when it comes to joining Watchdog Go Wars. Now, if you don't know what that is, I have a full video explaining exactly what that is. But in short, it's a war driving game where you compete against other gangs and fight for territory, and you could team up with community members and help fight against one another in a fun, safe environment. I will talk more about this game later on in this video, but for right now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this T-Dongle C5 up.
This video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any illegal activity.
Now, before you plug it into the computer, you need to push on this button right here. It's right underneath the screen part of it. And while you're holding that down, you need to plug it into your computer, and then you can let go. And if you do it right, the screen should look like this. Now, I'm going to leave a link to the web flasher in the description, but all you got to do is click on this button right here that says Biscuit DIY firmware here, and then you're going to click on connect. Now, you should see your device right here, and then you're going to click on your device, and then you're going to click on connect. And now as that loads, you're going to need to select the board. So right in the center, it should see it's a T-Dongle C5. Go ahead and click on that option right there. And then click on, for version, just click on current. That's the only option you have. And then click program and let it do its thing. Do not unplug it. Don't do anything. Just wait for it to pop up and say you're done. And when you get this little green message on the bottom that it's finished, it's done. That's how easy it is to set this up. Quick shout out to Hedge for making this process so simple, as well as the Biscuit Pro. Now you can connect and interact with your device with the Biscuit app. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Another thing that's so awesome about this app is that it integrates perfect with the new war driving game, as well as things like WiggleNet. All you gotta do is set up your API keys. Now, to generate your API key, all you gotta do is go to the game and click on profile and scroll down till it says generate API key. And then once you get that key, you just cut and paste it into the Biscuit app. Once everything is linked up, all you have to do is hit the upload button and you're good to go. Now, I'm going to leave a link to everything in the description, including the game. Right now, I need help. So I'm part of a gang called the Digital Ghost Collective. We're the biggest gang in this game, but right now we're struggling because there is a super Wardriver user on the opposing team. So we're fighting head to head with the Biscuit gang, and they're crushing us right now when it comes to numbers. But if we keep pulling together, we're not that far away. Like, we can take them. And I think that if we get some more community members to join, if you're a war driver and you want something fun to do now with all your CSV files, or you got things pending, come join the Digital Ghost Collective. We need you. In this video, I showed you how to create your first war driver if you don't have one already, and how easy it is to upload to this game. It's super simple. It's cheap, and it's a lot of fun. And if you're already war driving and you already have really good gear, please join, again, the Digital Ghost Collective. I will leave all the links that you would need to join the Ghost Collective in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.